Today, we will be talking about butter chicken, also known as murg makhani. This famous Indian dish is known for its rich and distinctive flavor. It is considered one of the main dishes in Indian cuisine and has gained worldwide popularity, being featured on menus in Indian restaurants around the globe. Here is some information about butter chicken. Ingredients for butter chicken. A method of preparing butter chicken. Butter chicken is a delicious and famous dish in Indian cuisine. It is known for its creamy and spicy flavor, making it suitable for those who enjoy balanced flavors. Additional ingredients such as yogurt or milk can be added to enhance the flavor and achieve the desired consistency. Butter chicken is a hearty main course that can be served with woven rice or the famous Indian bread, naan. Tip: you can adjust the amount of spices and chili powder according to your personal taste to achieve the desired flavor. You can also experiment with adding additional ingredients such as sour cream or lemon juice to add extra flavor and freshness. Butter chicken is a nutritious and appetizing meal that can be enjoyed with family and friends on special occasions or simply as a delicious meal at home. Enjoy preparing it and savor the wonderful Indian flavors.